Hello, nature enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a virtual journey through the mesmerizing Plitvice Lakes National Park in Croatia, where we explore the wonders of our world. Join me as we discover the enchanting beauty of Plitvice Lakes. Our adventure begins amidst the natural marvels of Plitvice Lakes. Picture-perfect waterfalls cascade into crystal-clear lakes, surrounded by lush greenery. It's a symphony of water and nature that takes your breath away. To explore this natural wonder, we follow the intricate network of wooden pathways that wind over the lakes and waterfalls. Join me as we traverse these pathways, immersing ourselves in the beauty that surrounds us. Behold the crown jewel of Plitvice Lakes, the Great Cascade. This is the largest waterfall in the park, a majestic display of nature's power and grace. Let's stand in awe as we witness the sheer beauty and force of this cascading wonder. For a change of perspective, we embark on a tranquil boat ride across Kozjak Lake. The calm waters mirror the surrounding beauty, offering a serene experience as we glide through the heart of Plitvice Lakes. Plitvice Lakes is not just a feast for the eyes but also a haven for biodiversity. Join me in observing the diverse flora and fauna that call this national park home. It's a delicate balance of nature that adds to the park's allure. Our journey takes us to Veliki Slap, the big waterfall, a true giant in the park. Towering over the landscape, it's a testament to the raw beauty and power of Plitvice Lakes. Let's marvel at this natural masterpiece. Seasons transform the park into a kaleidoscope of colors. In autumn, vibrant foliage paints the landscape, creating a magical atmosphere. Join me as we witness the park's autumn splendor. Plitvice Lakes National Park is not just a destination, it's a commitment to sustainable tourism. Join me in exploring the efforts taken to preserve this natural wonder, ensuring it remains pristine for generations to come. As the sun sets over the enchanting Plitvice Lakes, we conclude our virtual journey. If you've enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more natural wonders.